Welcome back to Tech Money Diaries, your daily briefing on technology, AI, cybersecurity, remote work, and online income opportunities. Today, we're covering Microsoft update issues, OpenAI legal developments, workplace shifts, developer security concerns, and cybersecurity risks professionals may want on their radar. Because in technology, sometimes the biggest signals are not always the loudest headlines. Stay informed, stay ahead. Let's get into it. First up in tech and AI, Microsoft confirmed patching issues affecting restricted Windows environments. Now, at first glance, this may sound like a routine update issue, but for businesses, remote teams, and professionals working in managed environments, software failures can quickly become workflow disruptions. When systems stop updating correctly, productivity slows down, support tickets increase, and teams often find themselves troubleshooting instead of executing. Software reliability continues becoming more important as organizations increasingly depend on connected systems and digital infrastructure. Also making headlines, OpenAI remains part of larger conversations happening across the AI industry following legal developments involving Elon Musk's lawsuit. Beyond the legal story itself, conversations around AI governance, competition, and influence continue expanding. Because what happens inside the AI industry often eventually impacts tools, workflows, jobs, and opportunities across the broader technology ecosystem. And speaking of workplace changes, shadow AI is not going away. Employees continue adopting AI tools independently while organizations attempt to balance innovation, security, productivity, and governance. Whether you're a manager trying to create guardrails or an employee experimenting with tools, understanding the trade-offs matters. Because convenience and productivity can sometimes create privacy and security concerns that organizations still have not fully solved. Now moving into today's cyber alert. Researchers identified critical vulnerabilities affecting secure email infrastructure. The SF mail vulnerabilities are another reminder that digital communication security matters, especially for remote workers. If your work relies heavily on company email, messaging systems, and digital collaboration tools, these kinds of vulnerabilities can directly affect day-to-day operations. This may be a good reminder to occasionally check in with your IT teams and stay aware of security updates. And developers, this next one is for you. A compromised NX console extension for VS Code was recently discovered distributing credential stealing malware. Developers, pay close attention to your extensions, because the tools designed to improve productivity can sometimes become the attack surface. Review your tools carefully, keep software updated, enable multi-factor authentication, and avoid assuming every extension in your environment is automatically safe. Now over to PayWatch. The Biden-era overtime rule is officially dead, which means previous compensation standards remain in place. For professionals who expected expanded overtime eligibility, this could affect salary expectations, workload planning, and compensation conversations moving forward. If you're close to salary thresholds, this may be worth reviewing carefully. Now, before we close, one final signal worth watching. Artificial intelligence and automation are increasingly becoming tools for incident response and cybersecurity operations. For IT security professionals, this could become a major shift. Managing alert fatigue has been an ongoing challenge for years. AI-assisted workflows may help organizations process information faster and respond more efficiently. And understanding these tools could become a valuable skill set moving forward. Today's takeaway: technology continues evolving. Cybersecurity threats continue evolving. Workplace expectations continue evolving. And staying informed may be one of the strongest advantages professionals can have right now. Additional show notes and key takeaways are available below this episode. This has been Tech Money Diaries. Subscribe and follow along as we continue tracking technology, AI, cybersecurity, remote work, and the future of digital work. Stay informed, stay ahead. We'll see you in the next briefing.